At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Indiana involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Your LLC's name must comply with Indiana's naming requirements. It should include the phrase limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. The name should also be distinguishable from the names of other entities registered in Indiana. 2. File articles of organization. You need to file articles of organization with the Indiana Secretary of State. You can do this online through the Secretary of State's website or by mail. Include information such as your LLC's name, its principal office address, the name and address of your registered agent, and the names and addresses of the LLC's members/managers. 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical street address in Indiana. 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by Indiana law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of the LLC. 5. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. An EIN, also known as a federal tax identification number, is required for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS for free either online or by mail. 6. File business entity reports. Indiana requires LLCs to file a business entity report every 2 years to maintain good standing. The report can be filed online through the Indiana Secretary of State's website. 7. Obtain necessary business licenses and permits. Depending on your business activities and location, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits at the federal, state, and local levels. Check with the Indiana Department of Revenue and your local government offices for requirements. 8. Comply with tax and regulatory requirements. Make sure to register for state taxes such as sales tax, income tax withholding if you have employees, and any other applicable state taxes. 9. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated bank account for your LLC. 10. Understand ongoing compliance obligations. Stay informed about ongoing compliance obligations for your LLC, such as annual filings and tax requirements. It's advisable to consult with a business attorney or tax professional to ensure that you're fulfilling all legal requirements and properly setting up your LLC according to your specific needs and circumstances. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.